Good morning, guys. All right. Damn, this OCG. Apparently, I didn't buy enough. What a move. It actually doubled after I bought it. Almost doubled. Ooh. Or where did I bought it? I don't even know. Yeah, almost doubled. But the one I did size in, I had 300,000 shares of Kodak and this one failed. How lovely. The one you size into is the one that fails. Classic. Fuck you, David. David is here to profit off of me. Yeah, they were manipulating this. They ran the stock I didn't have a lot of size in, and tanked the stock I had a size in. Anywho, there are some pretty decent setups. I like some of these China names. Beely, PDD. Oh, PDD reports tomorrow. Okay, this one goes off my list. Not gonna buy day before earnings. Beely. It had this, fade, and now it's building higher lows and taking out this range. Looks pretty decent. Yeah, MU looks good too. MU, Beely. This ZS, Shopify, SC. I can't decide if they're good setups or if they're not good setups. Fiverr, they're tricky. They're tricky setups. I would call them tricky. TSM looks pretty decent, but this is a slow mover. Not gonna trade it. And man, this Disc K. One would think it will have a pullback soon, but not yet. Yeah, Futu has it's a big growth stock, good earnings. Hopefully it doesn't break out today. I want this thing to go sideways another week or two and let the 50-day catch up and then break out. That would be a much better setup. Let it base here. It's just digesting this big move. It just tripled, quadrupled in a short amount of time. Before that it tripled, quadrupled. So the bigger the base, the bigger the move. It would be very good if it stays below 165 today. The lower the better. I don't want it to break out this week. Yeah, GBTC is setting up. And I saw Mara and Riot are pulling back a little bit. That's good. I want them to go sideways for another week. Or pull back. So we can get a good setup. Are you a swing trader? Wow. It's ridiculous. The guy's been here at least 30 days. Since he can write in the chat, am I a swing trader? Unbelievable. Alright guys, market opens up and good luck to everyone. Yes, I'm a swinger. Okay, let's stick to business. Damn it. My mouse just died. Oh, I need a cable. Alright, disaster avoided. RCL. Oh shit, what the hell, man? Thanks for the RCL heads up. I guess I'll just use the lows of the day as my stop. Holy shit. CCL is fine. Why is RCL so weak? A lot of things are kind of sluggish. Futu took out highs of the day. Yeah, Doyo looks okay. Oh, Twitch of China. Alright. Yeah, it looks okay. Oh man, GME. I did not trade it yesterday. What a miss. What a miss. I hate when I pass on free money. Oh well. with Huya. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, they are. I remember that. But it's been on the table for like 6 months now, so doesn't matter. Trade the setups. Looks like C7 finally made that move. It never gave a clean entry. The mRNA2 from the bottom breakout here, having a nice follow through. Damn it! I must get better at buying these pullbacks to the major moving averages. But MU, what a star. ISUN, yeah. But is it a surprise? They got a big contract like 4 months ago. I'm not sure it's a surprise. SQM, I don't see a setup here. SOS. Oh, what a bummer. Yeah, the juice is not here, man. I'm telling you, the free money is gone. Damn it. So many failed breakouts all over the place. It's almost as we have to work for our money. What an unfair world. You actually have to work for your money. Yeah, I'll wake you up when free money is back. If you want refunds on failed breakouts, you can contact your local Robinhood representative. Yeah, Shopify is it's a leading. Well, it's not that much of a leader anymore. It's not as big of a momentum, but this thing has pretty much gone sideways for like 6 months, relentlessly building higher lows. It just recently tested the 200-day, reclaimed, and now it's building higher lows and breaking out of this tiny range here. So I actually took a tiny loss on a third size. But maybe I'll rebuy it. So it's more of a pocket pivot type of a setup, not really like a breakout. It's a little bit of a tricky setup, but it reminds me of when I bought TDOC early January. This one also was a little bit of a non-traditional one, and that one went straight up. Man, I went back in November to February when everything went straight up. Robinhood doesn't have local customer representatives? Well, then I guess you won't get money back on failed breakouts. Tough luck. I mean, not you, but like, you know, if you want to get money back. Oh, okay, looks like I got stopped out of RCL. Arsenal. I got stopped out of Arsenal. Oh, did I create the wick on it? Not as big as I thought, but still. I love it. Hey, any of you boomers out there, Next time you go on a cruise with Royal Caribbean, know that I wicked this thing. Yeah, I don't like it. I don't like this at all. There's so many things are fading. Well, I guess I'll just park my money in Disc K. I'm gonna go all in. Looks like a very it looks like a risk-free trade. Oh, looks like I got stopped out of F. Oh, did I wick this thing? Oh, it looks like I wicked this thing. Isn't FCX like world's largest copper producer? I wicked these guys. Did I wick SOS? A little bit, not too bad. Not too bad. Guys, I'm gonna wick every single stock today. Small account challenge my ass. Limit order challenge. Limit orders are for losers. You know why? Because you won't get filled. On stops, I mean. You should never use limit order stops. And it kind of destroys the objective of the stop, right? DQ, short setup? I don't see a short setup here. A lot of these names are running, like something like Plug, right? Look at where it's getting rejected, the declining 20-day. Tesla too, it's kind of fighting here at the 20-day. BHR, yeah, it looks okay, I guess, yeah. Okay, what's the next stock I'm gonna wick? Nothing is near my stop, so I don't think I will wick any more stocks today. Oh, SOS amount. Oh, maybe Zekin, this NFT fraud. That also is a China steel company. And a couple of years ago, I think it was a crypto company too. But I guess NFT is crypto, but... Yeah, it's called, yeah, it's a conglomerate. It's a conglomerate. If you want to survive as a company in today's world, you got to diversify. And going from making stainless steel into crypto and NFT, it's the only logical thing to do. Yeah, I think it's a worldwide leader. It's a global leader. We love global leaders, don't we, guys? You should only trade global leaders. Everything else is a waste of time. CDXC. Oh wow, it was a good setup. Ooh, great for those who were awake. That was a really good setup coming into today. Opening range highs. That was the entry. Wow. Nice one. Really good looking setup. This is what it looked like coming into today. Why can't I scroll just one bar? Apparently on the US keyboards there's a button you can actually scroll bar to bar, but that button doesn't exist on my keyboard. Look, I can't do one candle. It scrolls two candles. Come on. Okay, here it is. Oh, and now I'll zoom out. So this is what it looked like coming in, you know, on the scans. This is something you should be able to identify within, you know, half a second. Wow. It shouldn't take you more than half a second to say, wow. That goes on your watch list. And this is what it looked like on the 60-minute. Unfortunately, way too thin for me, so it is not even my scans. You can get the US layout on Windows settings. Yeah, but I can't get the US layout on my physical keyboard. AM80. Yeah, AM80 and MU, they both gapped up. You buy them opening range highs. MU is my biggest position. Yesterday I said I was gonna do 200 or 250,000 shares. I did pussy out a little bit. I only bought 150,000 because it gapped up. I just, you know, I have a hard time buying gap ups sometimes. I don't know why. On Twitter, if I bought yesterday, is my second largest position. I love these liquid stocks, high priced liquid stocks. WDC. Yeah, it looks like the others. It looks exactly like MU and AMAT, and they're all the same. I mean, it's a good setup. It's a good setup. Nothing wrong with it. It's a good. Why isn't this on my scans? It's weird. I don't know why it's not on my scans. Oh, it's because it's too liquid. Is that why? Yeah, okay, it's too liquid. Okay, that's why it's not on my scans. MU is much more liquid. Why didn't I take Twilio? Yeah, maybe. I don't know. It's all over the place. I don't know. Seffeldt I like the base it's building. If it can go sideways a few more days. Oh, SCs. Oh, okay. Alt GR? I don't have a button like that. I only have Alt. Alt GR? What the hell? What button is that? Alt 8 doesn't work. Alt GR, is it some kind of boomer button? Right Alt? Oh. On my keyboard everything is Alt. There is no boomer Alt on my keyboard. Yeah, it's on my. I do have those symbols on 8 and 9, but it doesn't work that way. I don't have a specific key for that. And no, it doesn't work using Alt plus 8 or 9 key. Trust me, I've tried it. No, it does not work using Alt plus 8. I've tried it like 50 times before. Doesn't work. Does not work. Is Fastly setting up? No, I don't see it. Man, I'm getting some stomach aches. You know what I did? I ate chocolate with popcorn in it. The problem is I'm allergic to corn, but I ate it anyways because it was so good. And I'm trying to. I have a stomach ache. Genius. That's your. Oh, David. Hey guys, do you want to see the keyboard David uses? Wait, I'm gonna open it now. Guys, this is the keyboard David uses apparently. This is the one he recommended for me. Oh, David. You have the same? Oh. so far. I've done MU, Futu, and SC. Futu is a risky one. It's inside of a range. I'm probably gonna get stopped out, but I really hope it's gonna go sideways for a bit more, a week or so. How can everything be so red today when Nasdaq is up? Well, that's how the markets work. The indices are not the perfect guide. This is why watching individual stocks is more important than watching the indices, even though I do look at the indices too, but watching individual stocks trumps everything. Yeah, semis are the strongest one today, by far. But I do see a lot of things setting up. Bunch of the solar names are setting up together with the solar ETF. Or actually, the solar stocks individual don't look that good, but yeah, we'll see. It's base building, Until we see some really long, decent bases where stocks can launch off of, it's gonna be a bit trickier. RKT, I like it. Maybe tomorrow. It's building the range here. The tighter it can get, the better. Maybe later this week. Damn, this SI is so strong. I should have bought it yesterday, I guess. But XLC, wait, which one is that? Services sector, okay. Communication services, okay. Fang names are up. Oh, sorry. Wait, FNG, yeah. Zikin, yeah, very close stopping me out. It's like the buyers from yesterday went away. SOS2. You waiting for the wick on Zikin? Whoa, what's this? Beely. Yeah, it's a strong one now. Look at where it wants support on that 20 weekly. It's been surfing the 20 weekly. This is what momentum stocks do. They usually surf the 10 and 20 weekly. It found support perfectly on the 20 weekly, building higher lows, breaking this range. MU. Oh, why didn't I buy another 50, 100,000 shares of this? Yeah, what I want to see on a lot of these momentum stocks pulling back is if they can put in higher lows, like something like Plug, for example. It would be good if we can build some higher lows here. Or MST, not here, MSTR. That would be valuable. Otherwise, well, I guess I'll just get stopped out. Yeah, Beely is flying. A little bit thanks to me. I'm not gonna lie. A little bit thanks to me. Or no, never mind. I bought it way lower. Okay, I thought I was created this week, but I didn't. Never mind. Baidu? It's a good setup for later this week. I really hope it goes sideways a bit more. Yeah, I saw that fuel cell. Shitty earnings. I think BLDP also, yeah, BLDP also had some pretty shitty earnings like last week. Am I still involved in GME? In what way? Am I still holding a line? Yes. Involved romantically? No, I'm not in GME. What I think about Bitcoin? Looks fine. Just pulling back the support. Nothing to see here. Move on. Wait for our spots. Oh, thanks, David. I'm gonna screenshot it. David gave me a compliment. I have the biggest paper hands. I'm allergic to red numbers in my account. Being in losing positions is for losers. I don't like losing positions in my accounts. Gotta cut them fast. Gotta cut them fast. Unless you're an investor. Then you know, that's another another thing. But as a trader, you should get out of losing positions quickly. Paper hands is an edge in trading, yes. Diamond hands as a trader, not gonna end up well. The foldable phone, or yeah, I ordered it. I'll get it tomorrow. The Galaxy Z Fold 2. I have no idea why they put the Z in there. Makes no sense. But I guess South Koreans love complexity. Could have just named it the Fold 2. They had to name it the Z Fold 2. Oh well. What the hell is the Z for? Zorro? Zelda? Why would I buy Futu a day before the earnings? I bought today, opening range highs. No, fold, not fault. Yeah, it's not OCG. I didn't sell a single share yesterday. I was thinking in case it goes to 30 or something with the NFT hype, but man, it looks like the Robin Hooders don't have any money left to push these things. Or Wall Street bettors. Instead, I guess I'll have to stick to boring stocks like MU and Twitter and Uber and Snap. Oh, payouts haven't come yet? Yeah. Yeah, I wonder if we get same type of like mania again after the stimulus checks. It's gonna be interesting to see. It depends. It depends. I use all of them most of the time. 1 minute, 5 minutes, 60 minutes. It depends. I try to make my OnlyFans public, but the thing is, you have to verify your identity. You have to take a selfie with your like ID card or a passport. So I took a selfie with my passport, but when I try to upload it, it says the picture isn't sharp, which it is. And you know, I tried to retake the photo like 3 times, and I got so pissed I just closed it. I'll never log into OnlyFans again. Apparently they don't want any customers. You have to be naked? Oh, that explains it. Oh god. I was so pissed off. I was literally swearing at the OnlyFans thingy. I tried to do it a couple of days ago. And I'm still pissed off. So I'm gonna wait a few days. I'll try again. And the picture was sharp. There was nothing wrong with the picture. It wasn't you know, but their software thought otherwise. I'm not a quitter. I'm only a rage quitter. Oh, you have to be ripped. Oh yeah, I need to get my Hearts of Iron 4 fat off. My morning workouts. Yes, I do work out almost every day. I even took the bike to the gym today. I'm getting back in shape. If my abs don't show by May, I'm gonna quit trading. So they better show by May. What's cold sculpting? What's that? Cold sculpting. What kind of arcane stuff is that? Cryptopolusis? Nah. I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna work for it. It's not the same. If you use, you know, this type of surgeries and stuff, it's not the same as working for it. Like really working hard. You don't get the same satisfaction from it. It's like the guys that take steroids in the gym. I would get no satisfaction from my training if I took steroids. Yeah, food is more important than working out. That's true. Try fasting. I actually want to do like a 7-day fast or something. I've seen some crypto nerds on YouTube. Did 7-day fasts. I want to try it too. read obesity code. I'd rather not to, because then I have to read the whole book, and that takes time from Hearts of Iron 4. Five-day water fast, 3 weeks back to back. Unfortunately, my bench pressing is not really where I want it to be. My left shoulder is bust, so I can't really do bench pressing. It's been bust for like 10 years. I'm doing intermediate fasting. I've done it for like 3 years. He fell on his Segway. We didn't have Segways. We actually had to use our feet. But I gotta say, I got a lot of steps when I was working as a security guard. I walked like 25,000 steps per day. Nowadays, maybe I walk 20,000 steps in a week. You lost 65 kilos? Holy shit. To fix your shoulder, try hanging from the chin-up bar for 1 to 2 minutes every day. Oh, really? Thanks. Never tried it. Never in 10 years have I tried anything to fix my shoulder. Thanks. Sollequist, is that you? Really? Holy shit. How are you? Yeah, I know I'm trying. I know. But it's just... it's like, you know... It's like when you call like customer service, when you have technical issues and they're like, yeah, have you tried to restart the device? Oh, no, I haven't. I never even thought about it. I know I should be nicer. I know, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I know. I know. I'm gonna be nice from now on. Wait, the Twitter link. Did the guy blow up yesterday? trading this SGLB. Where do I get my forward estimates? MarketSmith, and there's also this free site called Koifin. Koifin. Actually, I'm gonna show you guys. This one, this site, Koifin. Or actually, I'm paying for it, but I think you can get it for free. You can see the sales estimates, and you can see the EPS estimates. 2 years, even 3 years into the future. Don't be nice to me, David. I'll never be nice to you. How to copy and paste to your TC2000 chart? I don't know what do you mean by copy and pasting to the TC2000 chart? Text? I just, yeah, Control C. Let's say if I, copy a lot of things from Twitter. Let's say I'm just gonna copy something from Twitter now. Then you just copy it, Control C, and then I click this text button, put it on the chart, and then I push Control V, and you get it. And then I do this to mark which day it was. That's how you can copy and paste into TC2000. Dash? No, I don't like it. It's not really. What's Snowflake doing nowadays? Yeah, it's in the gutter also. Palantir, it's intriguing. If it can go sideways a bit more, could be interesting. How do you use Twitter to support your trading? Only follow people who create value. That have, good analysis, or good at news, or have other insights. Unfortunately, it takes many years to figure out who's good and who's not. You know what? My stomach ache is over now, so I'll eat some more chocolate with popcorn. Because it tastes so good. Yeah, you can blame me for everything. If you go bald, blame me. If you gain weight, blame me. If you get addicted to computer games, blame me. If you get filthy rich, blame me. Guys, if you get rich, it's thanks to me. If you lose all your money, it's thanks to you. Those are the chat rules. I'm gonna update the chat rules. If you lose all your money, blame David. Okay, looks like it's seeking found support on a rising 20 EMA on the 60 minute. I built another higher low. Key question is it gonna hold? Do you pay any attention to the Fed meeting today and tomorrow as part of your situational awareness? There's a Fed meeting? FOMC? What's FOMC? FOM. Also put tickers in caps. FOMC X. There is no symbol as FOMC. You're up 3,000% in 12 months? Really? Holy shit, that's better than me. But you're cheating since you have a smaller account, but still 3,000% in 12 months, that is fucking awesome, man. That is really good. I'm only at like 2,000% or 2,500. I'm a loser. Or actually, no, I'm at less than that even. In 15 months, I'm up like 2,000%, not in 12. David, are you up 3% in the past 12 months? You shouldn't take that many vacations. Yeah. The last 12 months have been special. It's actually, wait, is it like 12 months ago the market bottomed? 23rd of March. Yeah, late March last year. That's where the market bottomed. And that was like the greatest bull market. That was the start of the greatest bull market in 20 years. Since 99, 2000. Unbelievable. It's gonna take a long time before we see anything like that again, I think. I hope not, but I think it's gonna take a long time. But who knows? Powell has our backs, you never know. $3% on $1 billion is still good? Yeah, it's true. Netflix? I don't like it. It's nah, not really a trading stock anymore. I think it's all over the place. It's hard. You could do it with a wider stop and trade it off the weekly, like if you really want to trade this stock, but I don't think it's a great idea to trade this off the daily. SI, oh yeah, that one is on its own planet right now. Why? Yeah, wow, it's setting up. It is a good looking set. Oh, it's so thin though. Oh yeah, it's a good looking setup. It is. I traded this thing quite a bit over the years. I remember when it IPO'd. I think I traded the IPO. PRTS as a short? No, don't. There is no short setup here. There is nothing here. Avoid it. Don't even think about shorting this thing. It's just no. Protect your account. Don't short random stuff. Actually, don't short at all. Most of you will be better off if you just forget about shorting. Trust me on that one. Well, the expected comments from the few that are making money shorting. That's why I said most of you. A big chunk of my profits are from shorting too. Doesn't mean I will recommend it to anyone. Because I know it's much harder making money on the short side than on the long side. And it's easier to blow up and get into trouble. Yeah, shorting is it's tricky. It's tricky. It can be very lucrative, but it's my unless you have mastered the long side, I just don't see any point in. And you wanna diversify the trading a little bit, sure, but it's it's tricky. Shorting is tricky, especially shorting momentum stocks. You can ruin a whole nice trading career by shorting your first momentum stock. Just saying. You better be good at taking losses. Oh, wow, yeah. Happened to me on so many times. That I once lost 50% of my account in like an hour shorting a momentum stock back in 2014. I was just having a big great success in trading. I think I ran up my account to like 100K or low 100,000s, and then I lost 50% of it in an hour in one trade. I was devastated. And the amount of times I've lost a third of my or a quarter of my count with inside of a few hours shorting momentum stocks. Back in 2015, it happened like 3 or 4 times. One of them was like the Shkreli stock, KBIO. I still remember that one. I was gonna short it over the weekend. I left the computer after market closed. I came back 15 minutes later and the stock is up 500%. I lost a quarter of my account on that one. Oh boy. I'm telling you guys. If you value your family, if you value your life, if you value your money, don't get into the shorting game. Trust me on that one. If you're into BDSM, you may like shorting a lot. That's the thing. If you break a rule on the long side, the worst you can do is lose 100%. You break a rule on the short side, you may lose all your money and more. Okay, so far Sikin built another higher low. That's good. Plug is bouncing off the 10-day. Built another higher low. MSTR reclaimed a bit. GBTC, if we can go sideways a bit more, maybe I'll add more. It's building another flag here. GBTC, that's irrelevant. All that matters is the momentum. Well, actually, it's kind of good. It means it can build some premium if Bitcoin goes into another big run. Actually, yeah, discount is better than premium. Now imagine if Bitcoin goes up another 50% and GBTC could double if it builds up some premium into it. That's pretty good. But generally, like the premiums, discounts, they don't matter. If the momentum is there, it's there. What happens with these is when the underlying asset goes up, there's premium built in, and when it goes down, the premium is going away, or you know, may even get into discount. That's how these things work. Why wouldn't you long MSTR versus GBTC? Well, because I'm long MSTR and I could very easily buy more, but I just took GBTC as an example. I'm long both. GWPH, it's a buyout. It means there's no trade there. Yeah, it's like watching paint dry. I think it's getting time to do something productive, like playing Hearts of Iron 4. And eating more chocolate with popcorn in it, even though I'm allergic to corn. Yeah, I'm good at buying and bad at selling too. Entries are easy, exits are hard. But you know, DMTK, you know, just follow the sell rules. All right, guys, Is Twitch international? Yes, it's international. All right, guys, thanks for joining, and I'll see you tomorrow. And good luck.